again, it's Priscilla Batzell, excuse me, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a 10 by 20 inch canvas, some edges covered with Meeden black paint, a puddle of Anita's white metallic down the center, gently. I don't think I really want it in the center. I don't think it matters right now. I'm going to let it go up a little bit. We'll just put a layer there anyway. I think this is going to have to do with tipping and swiping. And maybe even I'm going to be able to use up some paint that I have in a shovel that I left there 2 days ago with some cling wrap on it. In the meantime, I need a rag and some more black paint. I'm not going to worry too much about how it decides to come out. I do see that I forgot to take the clog out of the tip of a bottle I want to use. So really fast, hopefully, I will release the nubby. Release the nubby! Yeah, well, more or less. I know it'll come out now anyway. That is the turquoise, color shifting turquoise from Folk Art that I love. So I'm going to grab a clean spatula because I can. And pull that paint right up there, just like I was hoping it would go. And do the same exact thing on the bottom half, except for I know there is not enough white solidly at that bottom to help me out. So let's just do the same thing again. Let it spread out a little bit. Take the residual off my spatula. Back push some of the paint that's on the accumulated on the blade. I actually have some wet paper towels, some little tiny pieces of them. I might do something with them since they're right there, sort of taunting me. Alright, so even though I'd like that paint, I'm going to wipe off my spatula someplace where it'll make a base layer on the low-leafy silicone mat, and then I can put colors on top of it, and then someday I can peel it off, and hopefully someday I'll actually do something with it. So this is the cling wrap that I used 2 days ago, and I put a little tiny bit more paint in. I see something in there that does not belong. There we go. Come on, out you come. That's highly unusual. I'm usually pretty good at grabbing lumps. I don't know what that is, but it's got to go. So I'm going to squeeze some of that paint in fairly with force. This is the pink diamond from Color Art that I am loving. And I think what belongs in there right now is some of this electric blue. And then we will see what happens. I'm going to use some of the golden fluid fine. I feel if I release this from the shovel that I might get lucky. So I figured the paints have separated somewhat from the Floetrol that they were mixed with. So I don't know exactly what I'll get. I'll let that shovel go in there. I'm thinking about adding some more of that pink diamond. Maybe, let's use the purple amethyst. But not everywhere. I know what color I want, and it's the turquoise that's a called cobalt blue. There it is. I have some of that. I really want some black. I'm really tempted to put some black in there, but let's tip first. Let's see how far we go. Let's grab an edge catcher, because honestly, it's going to go everywhere. I've got an odd shaped edge catcher, but it'll still work. And I can see that there is really quite a bit of paint on there, but the black isn't covering today as well as usual because I think I put too much water in my mixture. I also see a lump in there. Can I get it before I go over the edge? What is going on today? Why are there lumps that I cannot grab easily? I really want to put some black in there. I guess I'm just tipping for the moment. We'll figure something else out as time allows, I guess. I don't mind that some of that yellow is disappearing. I want to take some of the paint I've got and put it back on. That's kind of neat. I like it. The paint that dripped off did not turn to mud. Do have some really cool stripes. I got a little bit more. I like to use the paint that comes off my edge catcher. That's pretty cool. Not a swipe, not a smear, just basically a shovel tilt. That's neat. I'm going to keep looking for things that don't belong because obviously there were two. That one came out easily. Yay! Okay, so now I used to blow in and make tendrils and spirals with a straw. Which is really not that hard. Once you get the hang of it, more things that need to come out. Can't be that new pouring medium. Let's just grab a skewer and see if we have enough wet background to allow a few spirals wherever we might want to put them. I'm probably going to have some edges to touch up, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be a big deal. I might even do it while it's wet after you're gone. That's pretty cool. I kind of want some orange in there though. And if I were going to put it in there, where would I put it? I think it would be a really good idea to shake everything first, because I haven't been painting that long today. I don't know if that's going to sink or stay. Kind of like the color it is anyway. Not so sure about that. That might have been a little rash. Let's grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. These are available on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is under the link tree. It's on the link tree, rather. I need some paint. Some schmutzy paint. I have some too. I'm just being clumsy getting at it. There's not a lot, but there's some. Now in order for that to work, I need a little bit, a few other places. Yeah, I don't mind that. I wasn't going to leave that like it is, but I might still play with that a little bit. I kind of like the dots. I kind of like the dots a lot. Not so sure about that smear. They don't have to be really obnoxious, but I still think I want to blow them out and see if I can get a little more of that joyful color. That's pretty slick. I'm pretty happy. I'll show you my view and see if we need to do anything to it. That's totally accidental art, and I will be taking a few minutes to look for the odd black drip that I need to cover any of my little incidental canvas peeking through areas, but otherwise I totally love that. That's pretty organic. Let's torch it and see if we get any more patterns, because we've got some really pretty cells in there. There's really no gold in there, which is kind of neat. I'm not sure why there's a black dot in every orange dot. I'm pretty sure I don't need it to be there either. Yeah, we got a few more cells. So, odd duck pouring video. I don't see anything that requires an awful lot more. I say that, but you can't trust me. Got a little orange spot up there. Don't ask me why I'm deciding to play with that now. I really just want to torch and escape with all the beautiful colors. That pink diamond is the bomb, and it's from Color Art, like I keep saying. Hopefully I keep saying it. Leslie Olmsted has been very good to me in the past. We're talking about a partnership. Well, a brand partnership is just basically me offering you guys a coupon. But if you have your opportunity to order some of the color art, you should do that. I usually hunt and peck for a coupon, but if I happen to have one, that'd be great. You could use it. And please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link, and it's on the link tree. Thank you for the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. If you want to be a contributor to help support the studio's production of videos and keep bringing more YouTube tutorials to you, find the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and if you use it, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. You can see the prizes for the monthly drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video, which I post on the end screen of every video. I didn't do it last month, but I will be doing it next month, and I have done it most months before. I want to check those edges. So, what can I tell you guys? Volumes 1 and 2 of my books are on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is on the link tree. I mentioned that. Pixels.com and Fine Art America are also on the link tree, along with Legalerist clothing from Montreal, which is some exclusive patterns, some of my favorite things. I'm getting ready to add a bunch more. Cross your fingers I get it done. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. Let's zoom in because there's some really nice stuff in there. Check that pretty thing out. So what was I saying? My paint pouring recipe is under the video, as my cell activator recipe is. My email address is under the link tree. If you click show more, you'll find my paint pouring recipe and my email address. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, please contact me using my email address. If you're interested in more information about taking a lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, please use that email address. I've got Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links also on the link tree. So I have over 2,300 videos. Well, I've got 2,250 some odd, maybe 60 And they're organized by topic and genre. And if you need a playlist, look on my YouTube channel for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. If you can't find what you're looking for, I've got them all organized, like I said, and I know where to find anything you might want. So let me know and I'll give you a hand. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Most of my Facebook pages will show you tomorrow's video, especially Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group and my own personal page, Priscilla Batzell. So, whatever I missed, I will tell you another time. Spring clothing under the video. Oh yes, if you want to see a design that's not included there, added there, same thing for pixels.com, Find in America. Just let me know and I will add it. All right, you guys, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm really happy with this piece. It's not anything that I wanted to mess with too much because it's really, really just perfect the way it is, in my opinion. I say bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out. I love you. Keep coming back. Thank you for all the comments, and thank you for the donations, too. Bye now. See you soon. 7 days a week, hopefully, or some variation on that theme. Bye.